Alright, I got a Che preset. I'm finna show you how it sounds. My bad for the lack of uploads. I'm trying to finish with school. I graduate in 5 months, so after I graduate, more videos, like consistently, like every day type shit. But I'm finna show you how to sound like Che right now.
I put a walk in a burner, that little nigga a gunner. I set my neck like a freezer. I told that bitch I don't need her. We pulling up like a creeper. It see me yucky my sneakers. Dick in that dress, she a eater. Bitch just lost her mind, she said she gon' die for me. Number that with that Rick, I put that shit on me. That bitch online, she wanna fuck on me. Bitch, I'm rich as fuck, I put that shit on me. Sippin' that shit like it's Barney. Also that bitch named Marnie. My niggas move like the army. Also that bitch and I'm sorry. That bitch just wanna fuck, I told her toot it up.
Alright, I'm gonna show you how it sounds without the what's it called? Without the beat.
I set my neck like a freezer. I told that bitch I don't need her. We pulling up like a creeper. It see me yucky my sneakers. Dick in that dress, she a eater. Bitch just lost her mind, she said she gon' die for me. Number that with that Rick, I put that shit on me. That bitch online, she wanna fuck on me. Bitch, I'm rich as fuck, I put that shit on me.
Alright, but I'm finna show you how it sounds right now. Well, I'm finna give you the preset right now. This preset is gonna be in the description. This is not my song though. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm out.